Yes, good morning, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and all the viewers of the Zexon Amid YouTube Sports TV. Thanks for watching wherever you are watching from. Ladies and gentlemen, and all my viewers, this time I'm getting you the latest trending sports news as Chelsea's right back and captain, that is Richard James, has just sustained, that is another hamstring injury, and the Chelsea captain himself will be ruled out, that is for their next game, that they will be traveling away. That is at the King Power Stadium up against Leicester City. This came after he sustained, that is an injury that was in training. Remember, has been training with the team. A reason being that it has taken him almost 1 full year since not playing, that is for the national team of England. He last played, that is for England, that was in 2023, and since then, because of injuries, hasn't yet been called that England. So has been training with the team, that is Chelsea, as they prepare for their next fixture up against Leicester City, that is in the Premier League, to continue with their fine form under coach Enzo Maresca, the former Leicester City coach. This Richard James, remember, he's currently 24 years of age, born, that was in 1999, and was appointed the captain of Chelsea by former Chelsea coach, that was Mauricio Pochettino, in a do-or-die battle between him and even, that is Ben Chilwell. However, Pochettino went ahead to appoint him as the new captain of Chelsea Football Club. So news reaching to us, as I told you before, that I will keep giving you trending sports updates that are making headlines to the Chelsea fans. I think this is not good news, reason being that ever since Artis had improved, that is on the defense of Chelsea. However, with his absence in the trip that Chelsea will be taking on, that is up against, could be a cost, that is to the team. However, Chelsea has gotten many replacements, that is in the different departments, because Chelsea has 2 teams, that is every number Artis has 2 competitors. So all players like Malo Gusto will be available. The likes of Mark Chuchulera are also present. Tosin Adarabio are present. The likes of Axel Disasi are present. The likes of Benoit Badishiri are also present. So they will be capitalizing on his absence. However, it would be better when the captain himself would be present in the team, because we very well know his competences. He's very good in defending and even going forward. That's the reason why England missed him, that is in the Euro Championship, because of an injury. Back to Richard James, that is the captain himself. This is his 8th injury that has sustained ever since breaking through the Chelsea squad, that the 2019-2020 season. This is the 8th injury, and this young man has been disturbed several times with many injuries that have costed his playing time. At the best, I remember last season, he only played, that was 482 minutes. 482. Those are roughly like 3 full games and some minutes because of injury. Last year, that was in 2023, they took him for a surgery that was in Finland, and they thought that it was the new renovation to get him, that is more playing time. However, just before some few times, has again sustained an injury that has cost him, or that will rule him out, that is for the next game. The length of the injury hasn't been given out, that is by the doctors themselves. However, we are very sure that he will miss, that is the next game of Chelsea Football Club. Any upcoming news upon the length of his injury, I'll be coming over here to all of my viewers, subscribers, commenters, to still lament you on the updates that are trending, that is on his injury. But right now, Chelsea fans, your man and the captain has sustained, that is a hamstring injury that will be ruling him out, that is for the next game. As I told you before, there are even several times when he injured himself, that is in training, and Chelsea thought that taking him, that is for a surgery, would be the only option, that is to revamp back their superstar, that is back to playing time. However, this injury that was issued out by the coach himself, that is coach Enzo Maresca, that the captain has gotten an injury, are some of the sad news that are coming out of the Chelsea camp. I remember Chelsea previously, in their previous 2 games, games. They have gotten draws up against Manchester United, that was at Old Trafford, and even earning that is a late equalizer over Arsenal Football Club, scored by Pedro Neto, that is at their home stadium, that is the Stamford Bridge, and currently they are in third position, 9 points below, that is the leaders, Liverpool Football Club, who have 28 points, and even 4 points below, that is second placed team, that is Manchester City. However, level on points still with the fourth and even the fifth and even the sixth, that is on 19 points. So Chelsea will be fighting hard, at least in their next fixture up against Leicester, the team that Enzo Maresca, the coach of Chelsea, previously coached last season, that was in the Championship, and promoted them, that is the Barclays Premier League, not only promoting them, but even helping them win, that is the Championship. So Chelsea will be having this fixture, and needing the 3 points would be very crucial for them, reason being that it's time for them to collect a point, if at all they are to still maintain, that is in the top 4 positions, or even to fight, that is for the Barclays Premier League title that they last won, that was in the 2016-2017 season, 2016-2017 season under coach Enzo Maresca. So to any fan of Chelsea, those are some of the trending news or latest updates that are coming, that is from the Chelsea camp. I think it's a sad news for the man who had come to improve, that is the defense of Chelsea. A reason being that the Chelsea of this time is more far away from the Chelsea that played football, that was last season under coach Mauricio Pochettino, who is currently the head coach of the USA national team. So those are some of the trending news currently that are trading, that is on the globe, that is from the Chelsea camp and even in the Premier League. But the rest of the players are currently back, apart from that is Moises Caicedo and Enzo Fernandez, who will be coming back and will be